after we got the current location from this function, just right here after this closing curly bracket, just click enter to add a new line, where I will write a new function that translates this latitude and longitude into a city name. So it will convert the latitude and the longitude to a city name. So let's get started. First, start with the comment, get city name. Also here we have the same case as in the previous function. We're dealing with the future, so we're going to pass the latitude and the longitude, and then the function, we will wait for the function to give the city name, then assign it to the variable, then we can use it. Now just go to Flutter website and scroll down a little bit. Let's see, they have it somewhere in here. Yeah, here. Actually not this one. We will pass the coordinates here, the latitude and the longitude, and in return we will get the city name. So let's copy this line and go to Android Studio. Just first future, and here I want to return a type of string, I mean for the city name. Get city name async, then just paste that code we just copied from the Flutter website here. Now just type return place mark index 0, because this is a list, so we must pass an index. So we'll pass 0 to get the first element in the list. Dot locality, then semicolon. But here is a question: how can we get the latitude and the longitude from this function? Actually, there is more than one way, but I'll go with the easiest one. Just here we'll declare two variables inside the function parentheses, so of type double, because the latitude and the longitude, they have double type, so that's why. Double lat and double long. So when you declare variables here inside of the parentheses, that means you can pass variables or values to this function. Just let's we don't need to copy it, just here add a new line in this current get current location function and type the get city name. Then here we can pass the latitude and the longitude. Just copy this one, the position variable dot latitude position dot longitude. So now we have access to, actually we got the value of the latitude and the longitude here. So all we have to do, just come here and copy this one, remove this one, this value, also here do the same thing. Also, before we return it, we can print for testing purposes. Let's see, city name is Actually, here we have a different case. We must add first $, then curly brackets, then this line. When you have something like this with dot in between, you can and you want to print it within a string, you have to add a $, then the curly brackets, then you can add it inside here, because without the curly bracket it won't work. Let's see, it will print it as a string, and we don't want that to happen, so that's why we just added those curly brackets. You can see the list just turned into a green. That means it's a normal text, and we don't want that. Just put it inside the curly brackets. Look, the color has changed. Now just click hot reload, and let's see, we got an error message here. Actually, it says there's an error message. Yeah, it's here. I forgot the semicolon. Yeah, just click now, hot reload. Look, here we have the value of the latitude and the longitude, and here we have the city name, Riyadh. Well, we still have one issue. The code gets longer and longer, so it will be hard to maintain it in the future. So we have a better solution for this issue, which is creating a new class. We have this concept from the OOP. It's called abstraction. So what abstraction means? It means instead of writing your the whole code in one class, you can divide it into many different classes. So here, for example, we're dealing with the GPS to get the latitude and longitude, and next to get the city name. So we can create a new class for getting location, and maybe somewhere in your app you have to use this class. So instead of rewriting the whole code in every class, you just can call the new class the get current location and use it somewhere else without the need of rewriting the code again and again. Just click here, right click, new, then Dart file. Just let's call it I will call it get location dot dart. Then just, if you want to write a new class, you must start with this keyword class. Then the name of the class would be the same as the file name, just to make it easier for you. Get location, then curly brackets, opening and closing. Then just go to the main and highlight those two functions, then cut them, go to get location.dart class, then paste them here. We see here we have red lines, that mean we're missing something, so we just missed the import. Now we have to do some modifications here to make the code works well. First, we need to declare 3 properties for this class, and I will explain later why. Just first, double latitude, then double longitude, then string city. Oh, sorry, city. Also, you can remove this line because we won't print anything here. And then I will call this property latitude and assign it the value of the position latitude like this. Position dot latitude. Also do the same for the longitude. Longitude, assign the position dot longitude. I declared those those three properties because when we create an object for this class in the main, we can get access to those latitude and longitude and the city name. So that's why. So we still here. I still need to set up this city. So here city has a different case. Let's see why. City equal get. We got an error message. It says a value of type future string cannot be assigned to a variable of type string. You know why? Because this function, it will take some time to give the value back, so you cannot assign it to a string. In this case, all we have to do just add this keyword await. That means wait here till we get the result back from this function. Then the value of this function, which is the name city, will be assigned to this string. That's it. Now we are pretty much done from this class. And as I mentioned before, it's going to be a lot easier if you create a new class. Let's say for Google Maps or something else. You don't have to write these functions over and over again. All you have to do just create an object of this class and use the functions inside it as you like. Now just go to the main. Here it's complaining about this function. I just removed it from here to the class. Let's just here create a new function. Call it get location. So it has a type of void. Get location async. Then we will create an object of the get location class. So first just type the class name, the one you want to create an object of. So get actually first we need to import it to import it here first. Import get location, this one. Now we can start here. Get location, name it get location equal get location. So this is how you can create an object. Now get location now you will have access to the properties of the class, as you can see here, and to the function name, to the functions as well. Here the properties, we have access to them, as you can see here. I want to get access to this function, get current location. But before you can do anything with it, you must add a wait. because you have to wait until this function get the result back. I mean the city name and the latitude and longitude. Now if you want to print the result, all you have to do just type print get location dot latitude print get location dot longitude print get location dot city. So just click on hot reload and let's see. It's complaining about something up there. Let's see here. Yeah, about this function. I forgot. Just copy the function name and put it instead of this one. Then click on hot reload. See, we got everything back. The latitude, longitude, and the city name. That means the code is working fine. Now the code is better than before, and it is well organized and easy to maintain. So if you need to update something in the get location, all you have to do just go there and do whatever you want to do, and that's it.